itlog, talong. Ito nga natin. Iluto natin. Apat na itlog. Ano ko na yung talong. Saka may mantika ko dito. Ayan. Mantika ko. Coconut oil. Ito na ang nakalagay ng mga ricado pa walang nilaga ko kahapong itlog ay ibigay ko to sa kaibigan ko nag-training ng stipe kaawa din. Yan lang mga kabis. Mamaya lugtong ba tayo mamaya, i-update ko kayo, pagbigay ko ng sa taong bigyan ko. Salamat. Ito ang itlog na itlog na ibigay ko. Luto na yan para kain na niya mamaya. Alis na ako, punta na ako sa labas yung tinirahan namin. Labas. Oh, morning. How are you? Ito. Labas tayo. No other bus, huh? This is only bus. Ito palagi namang sinasakyan. Hello mga bis. Ito na palang itlog na bigay ko. Hello, morning. This is your breakfast or
where's your
do you like egg?
You have it? Where's your own?
Before I'm here from my house.
Yeah, I mean, which one you will eat? You have extra for your for you?
My pea rice and some egg like this.
Again? Okay.
Uh,
No problem.
it's good.
Yeah, sure, it's good. Thank you.
It's already ita. And this is my friend from Nigeria.
Yeah,
What's your name?
my friend used to.
YouTube. From Nigeria. And okay, this is for ready to eat because the finish boil.
You cook already?
Yeah,
Okay.
only water and hot then this is good. Okay, thank you and you hi in your family.
Hi. Hi, my Mr. Ronaldo family. Hi. How is Philippines? I love coming to your country.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love Filipino very well.
Okay.
This is my second vlog. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.